Hello guys, welcome back. In this video let's explore edge loops. So here we are in the tool menu. I'm expanding the geometry, and if I just scroll down, we have a section called edge loop. So in this edge loop we have different types of options, but I'd like to limit this video for only edge loop here. So the first option is edge loop masked border. So as the name suggests, let's say I'm masking this here to one half of the hand. Okay, so it's just simple mask painting I'm doing here. Or maybe I can just click and drag like that and then just mask a set of faces there. So once the masking has been done, I'm just clicking this button called edge loop mask border. So this is the mask here, and then when I'm clicking that, you should able to see the masked faces are now created with a border line. You should able to see that. Okay, you also have the edge loop. When I click that, it's giving me a message saying that the mesh should be partially hidden. So let's say I'm going to select those faces. Okay, and then I'm making this set of faces visible. So I'm just clicking this button called edge loop, and then you should able to see it's creating the same thing for the visibility faces. Okay, we have the crisp option. Let me show you that this loop has got a little bit border there, but when I do it for the set of faces, but make sure that the crisp button is on. So when I do that, you should able to see the loop is very tight. That's the reason. I mean, that's the point here. It's very crisp. You can also select the faces. Okay, and I'm switching off the crisp, and then I'm using a displacement value of 0.01, and then when I edge loop it, let me take a displacement value of 0.1. then you should able to see there is an extrusion of the faces outside. So if you want to extrude faces in the normal direction, you can basically rely on this displacement value. If I put a value of minus 0.1 and then extrude it, I'll just choose minus 0.1 value and then extrude it, and then you should able to see the extrusion happened inside there. So these are set of tools you have for the edge loop.